Okay, so it seems that we can start. It is 4:25. So thank you for coming to this CEDAP presentation. CEDAP, the acronym, I hope I will get it correct. Sustainable Enterprise Development in the Auroville bioregion. Correct, no? Yes. This project has taken many years to come about. In fact, I think the first discussion were held 5 or 6 years ago. And at that time, Bhavana was very much involved. And unfortunately, as you know, Bhavana could not stay with us, and we definitively miss her energy and enthusiasm because she did push a lot. You see, initially, and Joss will explain that more in details, initially it was quite a bigger project. It was really trying to formulate a project of integral rural development in the Auroville bioregion. But for some reasons, it could not really come about. And at one point, it was felt that the best thing for us was to go under an existing government scheme. Now, government schemes are not always easy to fit with. And even if we have the chance to be working with bureaucrats, both at the local level and in Delhi, who are very sympathetic and very supportive. In fact, I just want to take the opportunity to say that we are assaulted every day in the papers with stories of corruptions, of this horrible stuff that one reads about. And in fact, we have also the experience that there are really a number of bureaucrats, of people who are working at all levels, who are sincerely trying to see what is it that can be done. Because, for instance, the challenge of rural development in India is considerable. Because you cannot have the 1.5 billion Indians, which will come soon. You cannot have them all in metropolises. So you have to do something in the rural context. And this is what basically CEDAP is about. So this scheme is a first step, but it is very much a research. And it is also an adventure because there are many things that we don't know. In fact, we are learning, doing many mistakes, of course, but learning to work with people, learning to create enterprise, rural enterprise, sustainable rural enterprise. What is it, you know? So, in fact, there is a lot of adventure in it. And also another adventure is the fact that it involves many Auroville units. And in a way, it is strange to say that, but it is not, there are not that many projects in Auroville who are actually involving many different Auroville units. And I think it has been also a nice experience. It's difficult, of course, because we all know that we Aurovillians are not the easiest people to deal with usually. But still, it works. And it has been quite beautiful. So I think that I hope that through this presentation and through just we can explain, or just who knows far more about all the process and the story will explain. I just want to add that unfortunately Ram, our friend Ram, who is a consultant for CEDAP, and I would say for me he's one person who is not Aurovillian, but he is for me quite an Aurovillian in a case. He could not be present because he has some health problem that he had to deal with, but it's a pity because he could have also given a larger context of the Tamil Nadu and India, but you know, just can do it also. So I will not continue. I think it is time for the presentation to come. Thank you all for coming, and I hope that after that we can have a very meaningful exchange.
Good afternoon. Even before Rod and Bhavana, Subrat